Yeah, question 2. Find the general solution of the following equations. You do not need to write the answers in the form y equal to functions of x. So we have this. So solution. So this will be y. Remove this one from here, and that will be 1 over what? 1 over 10 what? 10 y equal to 10 x dx. Remove this one from here, and also remove this one from that place. Then you can integrate both sides of the equation. So, and 1 over 10 y, that's a cot y, the y. 1 over 10 tangent, 1 over tangent is cot, equal to 10x, integral of integral of 10x. So what we'll do, there's a direct table for this. If you check this section 6, I've given all the lists of the table. So this will be ln sine of the function. Okay, the integral of cot y will give you this, and the integral of this will give you ln sec x. Okay, and then plus c. So this is what we have now. So what we do now, this is the only one that looks strange. So we're going to make everything to be in the same form. So let's make the c to be equal to what? Ln k. So we now have now ln of sine y equal to, if you combine this one and this one together, it will give you ln k sec x. So ln we cancel. So we have what? We have this will be equal to sine y equal to what? K sec x. And we are told that there's no need to make y the subject. So we just stop there. Okay? The b part, we have sine y cos x, the y dx equal to x cos y over cos x. Okay? This is a first order differential equation, the y dx. Okay? The order here is what? Is 1. So what do we do now? We're going to separate the variable. We're going to, this one has to leave this place. So that's the first thing I have to do. So sine y is here. So that will be sine y over what? Over cos y. As this one is leaving this place, this one also has to leave this place, cos x. So y equal to x over cos x. And then the one you are removing from here, that will be what? Another what? Cos x. Dx. So this one, but this one will give us what? 10 y equal to x over what? Cos squared x. Okay, dx. So you can introduce integration to both sides of the equation, and this will be equal to x. Don't forget that this one means x times 1 over cos squared x, which is what? Sec squared x dx. Okay, don't forget your dy here. Tan y dy. We're going to the integral of this function is a product of two items. So we're going to use integration by parts, where the differentiable function is what? Is x. So the x is 1, and then the v dx is equal to what? Sec square x. So v will be integral of this, which is what? Tan what? So from the integration by parts, this will give us what? This is the formula, uv minus integral of v du dx times what? Dx. So let's plug in. We're going to have x tan x minus integral of v is what? Tan x, then times the u dx times 1 dx. So we now have x tan x minus integral of this is ln sec x, okay? Then plus what? Plus c. So finally, we can come to the left hand side. Integral over tan y is what? Is ln sec y equal to. We have the answer for the right hand side. That's the end of this solution.